Hi students, in this video we're going to cover how to use TurboScan to scan a PDF of a document. So first we need to install TurboScan if you don't have it. So you'll, go to the App Store first. So we'll go to App Store and we'll type in TurboScan and we'll search. And you want this option. It should be a free app. So we'll open that. And so now to use TurboScan, at the bottom left, you're going to see a camera icon. You tap that and it's going to go into auto mode and it's just going to take pictures of the document. When you have it set, it'll take a picture. And at the bottom right is where we add our pages. So we're going to tap that and add a second page. It's going to look. And we have our second page, says too close. So then we're going to add our third page. And we just keep doing this until we have all of the pages that we want scanned. And last is page 4. I'm gonna say we're too close. So after you have your last page scanned, in the top right, you want to tap next. And it's going to show you all the pages. If you want to, you can reorder these. If for whatever reason you put them in the incorrect order, say I want page 4 here, I could do that. I can just move, or I can move page 4 back down to the bottom if I can get that handle. All right, so we'll move that back down to the bottom. And at the top, if you tap on the document name, I'm going to call this Mr. Martin's work. And we'll put in work. And you have some options to include this. I would put the date stamp so you can see what time this was scanned, and you click done. And so at the bottom left, you see this arrow coming out of a square, and that's how you share this. You can email it to yourself as a PDF. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to select, it already has my email address because I use this frequently, and I'm just going to send that to myself. And we're done. So if you want to set some stuff up for yourself, you can go to settings, and at email to myself, you can put in whatever email address you want, and you can tell it to attach as a PDF. I would only use a PDF because this is the best form of a document. So that is how we use TurboScan.